Greetings, tea enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're taking a journey to the heart of Vietnam to explore a delightful beverage that's much more than meets the eye: Vietnamese Tra Chanh, or lemon tea. Get ready to uncover the hidden facts and the fascinating history behind this classic Vietnamese drink. So, let's steep into the world of Tra Chanh. Our adventure begins in the vibrant streets of Vietnam, where you can find Tra Chanh being prepared and enjoyed on almost every corner. This simple yet exquisite tea is a staple of Vietnamese culture. It's made from just a few ingredients: fresh lemons, fragrant tea leaves, and a bit of sugar. The result is a harmonious balance of sweet, sour, and fragrant notes. Instead of using hot water, the tea is made by steeping tea leaves in cool or room temperature water. It's a slow process that allows the tea to gently infuse and capture its unique flavor profile. Beyond its refreshing taste, Tra Chanh is also celebrated for its health benefits. It's packed with vitamin C from fresh lemons, which not only boosts your immune system but also keeps you cool in the scorching Vietnamese heat. Tra Chanh has a rich history in Vietnam, dating back centuries. It's not just a drink, it's a symbol of cultural fusion. Just like any beloved drink, Tra Chanh has its regional variations. Depending on where you are in Vietnam, you might find it served with ice, soda, or even coconut milk. Each region adds its own twist to make the drink uniquely their own. Vietnam is famous for its coffee culture, but did you know that Tra Chanh gives coffee a run for its money? It's a popular choice in the mornings and throughout the day, offering a caffeine boost without the jitters. One of the most charming aspects of Tra Chanh is how it's enjoyed as a street food. It's not just a beverage, it's a social experience. You can find Tra Chanh in Vietnamese restaurants around the world, sharing the refreshing taste and cultural significance with tea lovers everywhere. One of the lesser-known secrets of Vietnamese Tra Chanh is the use of a unique citrus fruit, calamansi. In some regions of Vietnam, calamansi, a tiny sour fruit similar to a lime, is used to prepare the lemon tea. Its distinct tartness adds an extra layer of flavor to this beloved drink. Tra Chanh isn't just a beverage, it's a symbol of hospitality in Vietnam. When you visit someone's home, it's customary to be offered a glass of Tra Chanh. It's a warm gesture, a sign of friendship, and a way to make guests feel welcome. The ice-cold lemon tea is not only refreshing but also a natural thirst quencher, making it the perfect companion for hot, sunny days. It's often served in a clear glass, allowing you to appreciate its vibrant color. The gentle and skillful pouring process ensures that the tea mixes perfectly with the ice and creates a visual spectacle as well. All you need are lemons, tea leaves, sugar, and water. It's a fantastic DIY project for tea lovers who want to savor the authentic Vietnamese flavor wherever they are in the world. Tra Chanh isn't just paired with Vietnamese dishes, it's also an unexpected partner to Western cuisine. The zesty, citrusy notes of this lemon tea can brighten up your favorite international dishes, making it an excellent all-around drink. Beyond the classic Tra Chanh, Vietnam also offers herbal variations. You'll find teas infused with lemongrass, pandan leaves, and other aromatic herbs, each with its unique set of health benefits and flavor profiles. Each family might have its unique twist, such as the choice of tea leaves, the ratio of lemon to sugar, and other personal touches. While we've discussed the popularity of Tra Chanh throughout Vietnam, it's fascinating to note that even within different regions of the country, you'll find unique local variations of the drink. For instance, in the Mekong Delta, it's common to find Tra Chanh made with the fragrant honey of the region, infusing the tea with a distinct sweetness. It has become a cherished part of the Vietnamese diaspora, and each community brings its own twist, using locally available ingredients to replicate the flavors of Vietnam. Vietnam is the world's 7th largest tea producer and exporter, and Tra Chanh is just one example of how integral tea is to Vietnamese life. Many Vietnamese families take great pride in using fresh lemons and tea leaves from their own gardens. With its refreshing qualities, it has contributed to a shift away from traditional hot tea consumption, especially among the younger generation. As with many traditional beverages, Tra Chanh has received modern twists. In contemporary Vietnam, you can find trendy tea shops offering creative blends, from passion fruit-infused Tra Chanh to sparkling versions with soda water. There you have it, a deeper dive into the world of Vietnamese Tra Chanh, revealing its history, regional diversity, and cultural significance. This humble lemon tea isn't just a beverage. It's a journey through time and tradition. If you found this exploration of Tra Chanh fascinating, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow tea enthusiasts and curious foodies. We're eager to hear your thoughts and suggestions for future culinary journeys. Until our next adventure, keep savoring the world one cup at a time.